Lobster. Lobsters are Malacostragens of the family Nephropidae. Stingray. Stingrays are a group of sea rays, a type of fish. Octopus. An octopus is a soft-bodied, eight-limbed mollusk of the order Octopoda. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Sciatica. Swordfish. Swordfish are elongated, round-bodied. Sea turtle. Sea turtles, sometimes called marine turtles, are a reptile of the order. Shark. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Seahorse. A seahorse is any of 46 species of small marine bony fish in the genus Hippocampus. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs are anormon decapod crustaceans of the superfamily